Hi, and welcome to Holiday Shelter Channel. In this episode, we're visiting Etno Hut Shelter, a tiny house located in Lithuania. Tucked in old, sleepy woods, 14 square meter Etno Hut, perfectly suited for two, is the tiniest shelter for your romantic getaway. Etno Hut has everything that describes word glamping. Picturesque wilderness and cozy and sweet, decorated with Lithuanian ethnographic art comfort. Immerse yourself in the pleasures of Million Stars Resort. With stunning views above the fields of sunset and sunrise, this hut encompasses king-size bed, fireplace, and balcony that's a path to quiet evening with stars or morning with bird songs. Creative studio, yoga retreat camp, or anything you can think of doing surrounded by wild, breathtaking Lithuanian nature. Experience the tiny living, even if it's just for one weekend. Thanks for the visit. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell to hear about new videos. Stay tuned.